Envision a realm where power, prestige, and prowess converge. A sanctuary meticulously crafted for the elite, the influencers, and the leaders who shape our world. Welcome to Sumadhura Palais Royale, an architectural masterpiece that embodies the spirit of Hyderabad and redefines luxury living. As you approach, the three-tiered entrance lobby with its imposing triple-height design sets the stage for an unparalleled living experience. Start your day with an invigorating walk through lush landscaped grounds. Find your center in a private yoga session. Reconnect with nature in tranquil green spaces, or engage in meaningful dialogue in thoughtfully designed conversation areas. Intuitive temperature control streamlines your life with unmatched convenience. The opulent formal lounge combines comfort with elegance, while the modern kitchen enhances every celebration. Your home exemplifies refined living, with a master suite featuring adaptive TFA technology, an elegant walk-in closet, and much more. From private theatre to the personal bar retreat on the sky patio, every corner of your abode offers a perfect space for reflection or celebration. The joyous laughter of children echoes from the dedicated kids zone. For those who value both mind and body, our world-class sports facilities beckon. All designed to harmonize mental peace, physical vitality, and communal bonds. The crown jewel of our community features a massive branded clubhouse floating 9 meters above the podium level, offering 3 floors of indulgence that include a vibrant leisure zone, recreation zone, and a well-defined business zone. Enhancing your experience, the luxurious swimming pool offers an oasis of relaxation, allowing you to unwind in sophisticated comfort. Sumadhura Palais Royale is more than a residence. It's a haven where grandeur, innovation, and excellence converge. A fortress of privacy, a source of inspiration, and a home that reflects your stature. Welcome to a realm where visionaries thrive. This is your domain, your legacy, your home.